E-learning with NUT Endomo the Science School, Mina.
Hello, my wonderful pupils in KS2 Year 4 Freeze here. How are you all doing? I hope you're enjoying yourselves and you are as well enjoying this learning, this online learning. And I know you are being good to mom and dad at home. Yes, I know you're taking good care of yourselves. Yes, continue to do that and continue to learn properly, okay? Now get your exercise books, get your pen, and get ready and open your minds and let's learn. Write today's date in that book and write the subject. Yes, basic science. Write it down. Okay. Then let's look at this. Okay. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Alright. Are you seeing this being poured into this? Okay. You're seeing this substance, this whitish substance being poured into this. What is this? What is this? Okay, water. Good. You see this white substance being poured into this water. It happens like this most of the times in our kitchen. True or false? When mom goes to cook, she prepares she prepares food using this method. True or false? Good. Yes, she pours this into the water, boiling water, and she stirs, and then the food is ready, like semovita and wheat and the rest, right? True or false? Good, 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 good. So, alright, this is what we're seeing here is a simple mixture, okay? Mixture. Mixing the white substance into the water. Is that okay? Alright, mixture. Can I hear you ready? Mixture, good. Sad? Umi. Yes, Bobnet. Okay. Alright, mixture. Now, our topic for today will be, can we all read it? Good. Mixture and solution. Mixture and solution. Alright. Now, before we learn that properly, there are some keywords I want us to take note of. The first is what? Yes, Latin. Good. Dissolve. The second is what? Napoleon. Solution. Yes, Aisha, Seriki. This is good. Solid. Mufida. Okay, liquid. Aisha, Mahmoud. What is this? Solute. Good. Victoria. Solvent. Good. And okay. Now, when we say mixture, what do we actually mean? Can we all read it, everybody? Nice. Mixture is when two or more materials are jumbled together. Two or more materials are jumbled together. Earlier on, you saw the white substance being poured into water. You see, the two materials, the white substance being poured into water, okay, jumbled together, mixed together. Is that okay? Right. For example, let's look at this. You can see you can see milk here inside. You can see milk being poured inside this Lipton, and then you see that the Lipton changes color immediately to that of the milk. Is that not true? You're seeing it happening. Good. This is also a mixture. It's also a mixture. Is that okay? Good. They have been jumbled together and then stirred. Okay. Now, examples of mixture. We have rice and beans. Yes. Most of us ate rice and beans today. Some ate yesterday, and some have eaten. Some will eat tomorrow. Okay. Rice and beans make a mixture of two solids. Rice is a solid, and beans is also a solid. So when rice and beans are mixed together or jumbled together, they give us a mixture of two solids. Is that okay? Good. cabbage and lettuce. Cabbage for making salad, lettuce again for making salad. Good. They make a mixture of two solids as well. Of course, when making salad, you have your cabbage, you have your lettuce. After cut your cabbage, cut your lettuce, and mix together, jumble together, giving you a mixture of two solids. Okay? Good. Milk. Yes, some of us drank milk today, and some will drink again. Milk, chocolate, sugar, and water is a mixture of both solids and liquids. Everybody, can we read it? Yes, milk is, we have the liquid milk, also have the solid milk, that is the powdered milk. Chocolate, good, we have the liquid chocolate and also the powdered chocolate, that is solid chocolate. Sugar, solid, then water, liquid. So you can see this contains both solid and liquid. That's what we said, is a mixture of both solids and liquids. Is that okay? Are we good to go? All right, okay, and Sahad and the rest. Okay, you're listening properly. Let's go. Can we all read it? Good. When you mix a solid with a liquid, different things can happen. Okay. When you mix a solid with a liquid, different things can happen, and those things are: one, can we all read it? Good. The solid might sink to the bottom of the liquid. For example, you pour sand into water. What do you think will happen? The sand will just sink into the bottom of the liquid, except when you stir it. Good. It then begins to be evenly mixed. Is that okay? Then two, it might make the liquid go cloudy. Yes. You have your water and you have your milk. Once you pour in your milk into the water, of course, the liquid becomes cloudy. Okay? 3. Can we all read it? Good. Some solids seem to disappear, totally disappear, when they are mixed with water. They seem to disappear when they are mixed with water, as if you're not seeing them again. For example, sugar and even salt. But you will know that it is still there. It is still there because the water will taste sugary or the water will taste salty. Once you taste the water, you discover the taste is either sugary or salty. So, not that it has gone away completely. No, it is still there. The sugar simply dissolved in water, or the salt simply dissolved in that water. Is that okay? So it didn't just disappear, it is still there. Okay? You'll notice that when you taste it, the water will either taste sugary, it is for sugar, or salty, it is for salt. Is that okay? Alright, I love the way you're learning, I love your responses. Then solution. What do you mean by solution? Can we all read it again? Umi, Bognet. Good. Solution is a mixture of solid that has dissolved in a liquid. Solution, a mixture of solid that has dissolved in a liquid, such as water and sugar. When you mix water with sugar, good, you have solution, because sugar will dissolve in water. You now have sugar solution, or salt and water. When you mix salt and water, the salt will dissolve in the water. You now have salt solution. Is that okay? Now everybody, go get water in little quantity of water inside a cup. Okay, now you get sugar, that's little quantity of sugar as well, in a spoon. Now pour the sugar in that water, stir it. What is it you've noticed? Yes, as if the sugar has disappeared. Right now, test it. How does it taste? It tastes sugary, right? Good. The same thing will happen when you do that of salt. Is that okay? Good. Now, if the solid has a color, the solution will also have that color. If the solid you have used has a color, let's say the sugar has a color or the salt has a color, the solution you're going to have, the salt solution or the sugar solution will as well have a color. For example, look at this now. You can see this, the substance here, good, the solid being mixed into the water as liquid has a color, and that is why the solution is having a color. Okay, you can see bluish color there once the solid is poured into the liquid. Can you see that? Right, good, that's what we're saying. Alright, good. Then solute. What do we mean by solute? Can we all read it, everybody? Good. That substance that dissolves to make a solution. That substance that dissolves in a liquid to make a solution. Okay? The substance that dissolves in a liquid to make a solution. And what is that substance? What substance are you seeing here? You can see sugar here. Example, sugar, salt, your chocolate, your Bournvita, your milk. Good. That's the powdery ones. Dissolve in a liquid. And after that dissolving, it will give you a solution. Either salt solution or sugar solution. Is that okay? Now, solvent. What is solvent, everybody? Good, nice one. The substance in which the solute dissolves in. That substance that the solute dissolves in. This is the solute. This is the solute. The substance that this solute dissolves in. And what is that substance? That liquid substance. Is that okay? That is solute. That is solute. For example, you can see this is a glass of water. The water in here is the solute. Is that okay? When you add your solvent into this solute, that is the water, good, you will have your solution. Is that okay? Is that okay? Alright. Wow, my wonderful children. Yeah. Okay. Now I have something good for you. First quarter assignment. And what is that you're supposed to do? Can we all read it? Yes. Ramat added some pepper to her water for soup. She added some pepper to her water for soup. She added pepper to her water. Now, the first question, identify the solid in the mixture of the pepper and water. 2, good, identify the liquid in the mixture of pepper and water. Number 3, good, which of these are solids that will dissolve in water? Salt, rice, sand, marbles, and sugar. Good. So the answers to this assignment should be written immediately you have written your notes. Then you write this questions to the assignment. Good. Then the answers should be written in your book. You just snap that page of that answer or the answers and send the snapped copy to this email. Okay. And if you have any other question, ask Teacher Jan through this email, and it will be received, and then Teacher Jan will get back to you. Is that okay? Please continue to learn very well, okay? Continue to read your books, because readers are leaders. Don't forget, despite this lockdown, we are still learning. NET Mother Science School, love you all. So love.